warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Salma Al-Sasadia with NPM 234120446 from Accounting Class 23A, Capital Market Theory course. Here I will explain the material about mechanism in the Indonesian capital market. Understanding capital market mechanism. The capital market mechanism is the entry, process, and procedure that regulate and the buying and selling of security between parties that need funds issue and parties that have funds investor through institution and facilities that have been regulated by the capital market authorities. This mechanism includes the process of issue securities, public offering, trading on the exchange, and supervised by relevant institution, such as the Financial Service Authority or OJK and the Indonesian Stock Exchange (IDX). The main purpose of this mechanism is to create fair, transparent, and efficiency transaction. Parties involved in the Indonesian capital market mechanisms. In the Indonesian capital market mechanism, there are several key players that play an important role. First issue, which are companies that needs funds and offer security, such as stock or bonds to the public. Second, investor, which are individual or institution that invest their capital with the expectation of making a profit. Three, underwriters, who assess issue in the public offering process. In addition, there are security broker, dealer who acts as intermediation in securities trading transaction, as well as clearing and quarter institution (KPEI) and depository and settlement institution or KSE that ensures transactions are settled safely and on time. Stage of the capital market mechanisms. The capital market mechanism is generally divided into two main stages, namely the primary market and the secondary market. In the primary market stage, issue conduct an initial public offering (IPO) by selling their shares to the public for the first time. After the securities are sold in the primary market, there can be the secondary market, which is a market where investor buy and sells securities through brokers on the Indonesian Stock Exchange. There's two stages are interrelated because activities in the secondary market determine the liquidity and attractiveness of investment in the primary market. Trading mechanism on the exchange. Securities trading on the Indonesian Stock Exchange is conducted electronically through a trading system called the Jakarta Automated Trading System. Investor who wish to buy or sell shares must go through a securities company that is licensed as a member of the exchange. Buy and sales order are entered into the system in real time, and the system then meters their order based on price and time. This process ensures transaction efficiency and transparency, and below all market participants to have access to the same price information. The role of authority and supervisor. In order of the capital market mechanism to run in an orderly and regulated manner, all activities are regulated and supervised by the Financial Service Authority OJK. The OJK has the authority to license, regulate, and supervise all institutions and participants in the capital market. In addition to the OJK, the Indonesian Stock Exchange (IDX) play a role in providing trading facilities and ensuring the regularity of a transaction, while KPI and KSE maintain the security and integrity of the transaction settlement process. The supervisor is important to protect investor and prevent harmful practices such as insider trading or market manipulation. Investor protection mechanisms. Investor protection is an important aspect of Indonesian capital market mechanisms. The OJK and IDX require issue to submit transparent and regulatory auditory financial reports so that investor can make informed investment decision. In addition, there is a dispute resolution mechanism through the Indonesian Capital Market Arbitration Board that helps resolve issues between investor and market participants without going through the courts. This protection creates true and stability in the capital market. That's all I can say about the material mechanism in the Indonesian capital market. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.